We are living through a world of enormous change, and clearly the classical way education and learning has happened is going to go through a dramatic change. And AurusNet is a education technology company which has a very clear sense of vision as to how this new world will unfold and the role it can play in its unfolding.
But in the last 5 to 6 years, technology is playing a major role in taking the education to the lowest or the farthest place where you can go and reach. Earlier there was a mindset that virtual training program will not work. Now that has changed.
Obviously the quality of streaming, the quality of video which goes to the other side was definitely I would say a differentiator. So we had tested other people as well. So Aurus was not the only people who gave us presentation regarding this. So there were other people and we tested technology as well as quality, and we saw that quality of video is definitely better in Aurus. And I do not know how do they do it, but they do it very nicely.
Barring the fact that the student and the teacher are not in the same physical room, the education is as it would be in a conventional classroom. The teacher can be seen, the teacher is talking live, they are not canned sessions. The students can interact, they can ask their questions. Everything which we do in our regular brick and mortar classroom is also available in our technology classes. In addition, what is not possible in our regular classrooms, which is available here, is there is an opportunity to replay the sessions if we need.
To give an example, for example, a company which is having about 5,000 dealerships across India or 5,000 retail houses across India, if they want to train their people for in about 2 hours on new product launch, it will be a nightmare for them to organize the training because it involves huge logistical coordination in terms of organizing the training venue, trainers, travel. It involves a lot of time and money. With the technology environment like what we are currently using, the RS platform, so we can ensure that the 1 hour training program can be delivered effectively with the lowest internet bandwidth. So people can log into the program from the respective place. So the trainer can deliver the training program sitting at the same location. So at one trainer can deliver. So this will bring down the cost drastically. So in terms of if you want to say what could the cost benefit to the organization, it could be in the range of about 30 to 35% reduction in the cost.
You can bring the best quality faculties to even the remotest areas.
Once you use Course Hub, I don't see there is any possibility of you going back to using something like WebEx, to continue what you do. So that's what AurusNet is about. It's a very focused technology solution put in the hands of outstanding professors, so that they can now deliver their wonderful courses, not just to a handful of students who are sitting before them, but to a much larger audience.
Sure. First thing is this team is not run by people who are only business focused. This team is run by people who are technology focused as well. I mean, they have both strengths in their team, right? People who have passed out from Indian Institute of Technology, they have graduated, they have a very strong technology background as well as strong business acumen. So this two strengths combined in such a team is delivering good quality services to us.
I think if you look at the co-founders of AurusNet, they are outstanding individuals, right? Sujit is a wonderful technologist. Piyush has made the transition from technology to building a business. And the way both of them bootstrapped this company initially out of Bhopal by being laser focused on solving real world problems of people in the field, is very inspiring. And so it's when you combine a very large scale problem, great technology with wonderful entrepreneurs, that's when magic starts to happen.